Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. And now let's get on with this one. Once you're inside the camera app, swipe right across the screen, then select Pro to enter Pro mode. Second option on the right from the top is called White Balance. Now I leave this set to auto pretty much all the time because the S8 Plus is doing a really good job in auto mode. However, should you want to deliberately change the feel of a scene, you will definitely benefit from setting the white balance manually. And here's how it's done. Currently, this is what auto white balance gets us. So let's come right here and let's come to the Kelvin value. Standard is that the higher the Kelvin value, the cooler the color temperature, and the lower the Kelvin value, the warmer. With the S8 Plus, for some reason, it's the other way around. Doesn't matter, we can still get done what we want to get done. So let's say you want to make this scene feel a little more distant and self-sufficient. A cooler color temperature will benefit you. Maybe 4300K is alright. Let's take a still for reasons of comparison. Now, if you want to make this scene feel more friendly, welcoming and open, going the other direction is probably a good idea. As always, go by feel, go by intuition. 8500K looks nice. Let's take a still. And now let's go back to auto and also take a still so we can compare. Now this is what the S8 Plus will get you in auto mode. This is the warmer color temperature and this is the cooler color temperature. And as you could see, altering the white balance is super simple. It can yield both subtle as well as drastic results. Again, start with an idea, then go by feel. So that's it for this tutorial. Once again, this video is just part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So again, should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. If you liked this one, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching and hopefully see you again soon.